सैंपल प्रोसेसिंग इन पेपर बेस्ड लैब ऑन चिप टेक्नोलॉजी, यानी कि लैब ऑन चिप टेक्नोलॉजी जिसमें पेपर को हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हम उसमें सैंपल को किस तरह प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली दिस टेक्नोलॉजी इज फुली इक्विप्ड with the elements to be used as a diagnostic tool. यानी कि इसमें वो तमाम एलिमेंट्स मौजूद हैं जिसके जरिए लैब ऑन चिप टेक्नोलॉजी कैन एक्ट एज ए डायग्नोस्टिक टूल. लैब ऑन चिप टेक्नोलॉजी, when we use paper, it has gained high popularity in consumers market because this is compact and portable. The paper based microfluidics are low cost, lightweight and disposable. Now, what are the elements of a paper-based LOC? Actually, these systems contains all the basic requirements for a lab on chip. For example, there is a control system, microfluidics, electronics, sensing elements. They all are integrated onto the paper chip. Further, data processing units, readouts, display units and connectivity and energy storage is also available on a paper-based LOC. You can see in this slide that there is a control system. You can load a sample on the inlet and there are microfluidic channels. Further, you can see the electronics and the sensing elements. After sensing, there are readout and displays are also integrated onto the paper. Then we can see the data processing units and the connectivity. And above all, there is an energy storage which is shown in green at the end of the LOC based on paper. Now, how the sample is processed in an paper-based LOC? There are different type of modules, यानी कि sample को process करने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. उनमें सबसे पहला तरीका जिसको हम कई बार पढ़ चुके हैं, that is lateral flow test strip system, in which there is a sample pad, there is a conjugate pad, there is a test and control lines and a wicking pad. So I am not going to go into the details because पिछले मॉड्यूल्स में इनको हम काफी डिटेल्स के साथ डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. The next type of module is the 2D based diagnostic strip, in which we can use the hydrophobic fluidic barrier by using the wax printing. Wax यानी कि ये आम मोम, that is a solid at the room temperature and it is used for producing the 2D paper based diagnostic systems. Number 3 is the 3D paper based diagnostic system, in which we use the stacking of multiple layers, यानी कि आप कागज को मुख्तलिफ तरह से तय कर सकते हैं. या इसके अलावा एक और टेक्निक that is known as origami paper device. origami बुनियादी तौर पर एक टेक्निक है या एक फन है. ये जापानी फन है जिसके तहत पेपर को मुख्तलिफ यूजेबल फॉर्म्स में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है, मुख्तलिफ फॉर्म्स या मुख्तलिफ डिवाइसेस में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. So this origami technique is also used for developing the 3D sample processing modules. अब मैं यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड पेपर बेस्ड 3D माइक्रोफ्लूइडिक सिस्टम को आपके सामने डिस्कस करूंगी. द डिवाइस कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 लेयर्स, यानी कि आपने पेपर को तय कर दिया, इसकी 2 लेयर्स आ गई. एंड यू कैन लोड द सैंपल एट द इंजेक्शन इनलेट और द सैंपल इनलेट एंड देन द पेपर इज फोल्डेड. Once the paper is folded, the chemical reactions take place, यानी कि sample अपने reagents के साथ attach होता है and then there is a chemical reaction. Then you dry the test, all the system. उसके dry करने के बाद आप air dry करने के बाद आप इससे you can visualize the result. How does it happen? You can see in this slide. इस slide में आप देख सकते हैं there are 2 layers. One is the top layer and the other is the bottom layer. In the bottom layer, there is a sample loading system where we load the sample. After loading the sample, you can see on the top layer, there are different reagents which are shown in red and blue. And when you fold the paper, यानी कि जब आप इसको तय करेंगे, तो the sample will be in contact with its reagent. Once it is in contact with the reagent, if the analyte or the target molecule is present, you can see the color or image, you can read out the image. So this is the simplest form in which we can see the microfluidic function of a microfluidic or the processing of a sample on a microfluidic. I told you earlier that there are different types of control systems are also integrated onto the paper. Control systems के लिए हमें मुख्तलिफ किस्म के माइक्रो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दरकार होते हैं, जिनमें स्विचेस, वाल्व्स, हीटिंग सिस्टम और एनर्जी सोर्स शामिल हैं. एंड देन वी हैव टू डिटेक्ट द बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शन और द एनालाइट, डिटेक्शन ऑफ एनालाइट. इसके लिए हमें मुख्तलिफ सेंसर्स required होते हैं. These sensors are integrated onto the paper. So what type of sensors are integrated onto the paper? These could be electrochemical sensor, chemical sensor, temperature sensor, chromogenic sensor or light sensor. Now you can see in this slide that on a paper chip here a chemical sensor is placed and there is also an electrical sensor placed on the paper chip. So you can have an idea that we can integrate these sensors on a piece of paper. Now we have to have process the data and we should have the electronics on the paper on chip. पेपर बेस्ड LOC के लिए मुख्तलिफ किस्म के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मसलन ट्रांजिस्टर्स, इंडक्टर्स, इलेक्ट्रोड्स और कैपेसिटर्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. They are also integrated onto the paper chip. इसके अलावा different electronic circuits and memory units are also required for the proper functioning of the paper based LOC. And all these systems are integrated onto a paper. Now you can see in this slide that circuits are integrated or placed on the paper. और circuits की functioning को हम LED lights के जलने से देख सकते हैं. Because the circuit is complete, circuit is functioning, so therefore the LED or the pink lights are on. Now the last thing is the external instruments. There are certain external instruments which are attached with the paper based LOC that the result of the paper based LOC could be detected. For example, we can contact our desktop scanner. We can also use a portable glucose meter, जैसे कि ग्लूकोमीटर के साथ टेस्ट स्ट्रिप के साथ एक मीटर अटैच होता है. इसी तरह recently phone cameras are in high demand to detect the test or to detect the results of the test done by this paper based LOC. You can see here a scanner, a glucose meter based device and a phone camera that is used for the detection of different samples in a paper based LOC. So what we have learned so far, in summary we can say that the paper based LOC are fully equipped with the system or the elements and that they can detect a target molecule. A highly sophisticated technology is developed to integrate all the elements, required elements on the paper based technology. Elements like electronics, electrical sensors, thermal sensors, chromogenic sensors are successfully integrated onto the paper based chips. So the paper based chips are successfully used in diagnostic and in environment for the detection of target molecules or analytes.